we can't see yours anymore.
I'm not going to talk about it.
Masaba, your clothes have always made a statement, and now there are going to be labels attached to your clothes which will also make a statement. Your thoughts on that?
Well, I think it's always nice to do these associations, but how do you take them a step further? And I think that it's a great idea from their side to do this, because everyone who's buying a garment from my stores will now own one of the Ariel wash care labels. And I was being told just before, that's the first time in the world that this has happened, where there's a his and her wash care label. And I think that it'll at least remind not just men, but also women, that you have to share the load. There's a lot of women also who would, this would be very helpful for, like me. So yeah, I'm very happy to take this to the next level and put it, as a part of my daily working and my daily business of retail. So I think that's where the movement and the revolution really begins.
But, there's been a tie-up with washing machine manufacturers and Shopper Stop and American Crew Clothing as well. And here, now you, an independent label, so it's fashion meeting laundry. That's also a first, isn't it?
Yeah, I think laundry is a very underrated and not spoken of term when it comes to fashion, because people don't really talk about it much. It's behind the scenes. But I think fashion and laundry go hand in hand. You do need a really nice, crisp, clean, good-smelling shirt all the time, and you always need your clothes to be looking spick and span. So, yeah, I think it's a marriage, and it's a marriage made in heaven. So, yeah.
Oh, there you go. But isn't it wonderful that that Ariel has taken something so mundane and made a statement out of it? And at the end of the day, it's equality at home is about a better quality of life. Don't you agree?
Absolutely. I mean, I think that's exactly right. They've made it a little hip, which is what gave us the confidence to wear our shirts inside out and to be proud of our labels. And as you said, the equality factor, I think, is what motivated me certainly to be a part of this movement, because I do appreciate that one talks a lot about love in marriage, and less so perhaps about respect. But I think that this will generate a lot of equality and a lot of mutual respect between couples. And I do want to, especially this first row of all male photographers, we do hope that you will take this home as a nice message, and you'll help out, no? At home and do the laundry. करते हैं आप क्या? करते हैं? ये टी-शर्ट्स आपने खुद धोए? जो आप पहन रहे? नया है?
But I think it's so great that what Ariel is doing, because it's one thing to come up with an idea and then to back it and keep going, because it takes time for an idea to stick and kind of, I think that's what when I mentioned like how, cooking is no longer seen as a woman's job, because over the years, I mean, men have cooked, most of the cooking shows on air today have like men chef making food. So now it's not considered in the same way. With laundry, I think Ariel kind of backed this, came up with the wash bucket challenge, now came up with this amazing product, and now the labeling. So I think, with this, it's going to stick, and if people are not going to look at it at maybe in a few years. It's never going to be even up for debate that it's a woman's job or a man's job. So kudos to Ariel for doing that.
You've been a part of this journey right from the beginning. What have you seen over the various visits that you've made to various cities for this Share the Load movement?
Well, one thing I certainly saw was that the women certainly came out in many numbers supporting this initiative, and there was a third
It's
party.
important for the men to come and support the initiative.
It is, but
as well.
that I'll leave perhaps to Kunal to bring forward. But certainly we found that there were many statistics. There was a third-party survey, which I'm sure you all know about by now, and 76% was the number that was put forward of women who felt that the easiest way that a man can help out at home is in doing the laundry, for the various reasons we said, because it's so simple, it really doesn't require genius. And more than how difficult it is, it's just showing that appreciation and respect and care, because clothes are things that we all wear, so it's your clothes, it's our clothes, so we can all contribute in that. So women certainly, and men, and I think that had a lot to do with the challenge aspect of the wash bucket challenge that helped a lot of men come out and say that it is a good idea.
Actually, it's a no-brainer. Give the men a challenge and they just want to do it.
Give them a manual and they want to follow it.
That's right, they own the manual. But what have you seen over this last little while that you've been associated with the Share the Load movement from Ariel? And your thoughts on this movement?
I already said that. I said it's it's great that they came up with this idea, and I think it was a very intelligent move to call it the Wash Bucket Challenge, because I honestly believe that, more than a manual, if you give us something to read, we might just say that, okay, I'm not the reading kinds. The moment you say, okay, I challenge you, can you read this in one go? And we'll kind of pick it up. And hence, I mean, you say it's a Wash Bucket Challenge, and we started in the perfect city. It was Chandigarh. I said, all the Punjabis will like, "Dho denge kapde kya hai isme?" So, and the numbers speak for themselves. I mean, I was so happy to hear today that 5 lakh men have already kind of taken the challenge, and they're behind this movement. And I really wish that these numbers grow every day. And Ariel keeps backing this whole idea.
So, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to unveil that fantastic label. You